Hi, my name is Kelly Emery and welcome to RateSupermarket.ca's mortgage rate outlook for June 2010. Well, the Bank of Canada has made their move and they've increased the key overnight lending rate by 25 basis points on June 1st. This has already had an effect on variable rate mortgages, but let's find out what our expert panel thinks is in store for the rest of June. This month, our panel members are divided on the direction of fixed mortgage rates, while they believe variable mortgage rates will continue to rise. So why the divide on fixed mortgage rates? Let's hear what they have to say. Gregory Klump. The Bank of Canada emphasized a number of downside risks to Canadian economic growth, including an expected easing in the rate of growth for consumer spending. I expect the 5-year mortgage rate to remain at its current level. Rob McLister. Don't be surprised if fixed rates drop slightly in the short term before reverting higher. Healthy profit spreads allow further discounting today, while rising yields should drive rates up. Eliseo Iriotakis. With the economic uncertainty in Europe, along with a recent report that Chinese manufacturing slowed in May, there are no real signs that long-term fixed rates will rise. Garth Turner. Any change will be to the upside, despite euro deflation. After all, the housing market is choking, and the last thing banks need is to be caught offside. It certainly makes things more difficult for the average consumer if the experts are saying different things. But one thing is for certain, the Canadian economy is growing, but despite this growth, there are a number of external factors that are taking place outside of our country that can and will affect our growth, making it very difficult to predict the future of mortgage rates. Now let's move on to variable rate mortgages, a subject that's been getting a lot of attention since the recent Bank of Canada rate announcement. And here's what our panel members are saying about that. Eliseo Iriotakis. The Bank of Canada will likely increase the overnight rate by another 25 basis points in July, but they will be closely watching global development and won't hesitate to stay put if a slowdown occurs. George Hugh. The interest rate gap between the 5-year fixed and 5-year variable rate mortgages narrowed and will continue to do so for the remainder of the year. Gregory Klump. The bank downplayed slightly stronger than expected inflation and economic growth of late. I expect it will raise rates by another 1/4 percentage point. So although variable mortgage rates are expected to increase, a continuous and steady incline is no longer a guarantee. One of our panel members says it best. Domestically, we may need a rate hike, but internationally, there are too many unknowns to warrant a wait-and-see approach. To read all of the comments from our Mortgage Rate Outlook panel, visit the URL shown on your screen. And if you're looking to compare mortgage rates in Canada, RateSupermarket.ca compares over 500 rates offered by banks, brokers, specialty lenders, and credit unions. So visit us if you're looking to find the best mortgage rate in Canada. That's all for this month, but be sure to join us next month when we look at July's Mortgage Rate Outlook.